Good morning students, this is Latif sir. In this video, I am going to discuss about isomerism in organic compounds. Isomerism in organic compounds. So first, what is isomer? Isomer are the compounds having the same molecular formula but different structural formula. Isomers, they have similar molecular formula or same molecular formula, but they have different structural formula. So compounds having the same molecular formula but different structural formula are known as isomers, and the phenomenon is known as isomerism. Now types of isomerism. Isomerisms are two types. One is structural isomerism, another is stereoisomerism. And structural isomerism can be subdivided into chain isomerism, position isomerism, functional group isomerism, and metamerism. And you have to read only about chain isomerism and position isomerism. Functional group isomerism, metamerism, these are not given in your syllabus. So first type of isomerism is chain isomerism. Chain isomer are those isomers which differ in their chain length. Okay, so when two or more compounds have a similar molecular formula but are different in the arrangement of carbon atoms in straight or branch chain, and these compounds are referred to as chain isomer, and the phenomenon is known as chain isomerism. So chain isomers differs in their chain length. They have similar same chemical molecular formula, okay, but their chain length are different, okay. For example, pentane C5H12. You can draw three structure of pentane C5H10 H12. And the structure is CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3 CH3 CH2 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 CH3. This is pentane, normal pentane. This is a straight chain compound. And second structure CH3 CH and single one CH3 CH2 CH3. This is isopentane. This is a branch chain, that is branching on one side only. This is known as isopentane or 2-methyl pentane, butane, 2-methyl butane. And the third structure is, you can see this is neopentane. In this structure there are two side chain, two branching, okay, and this compound is known as neopentane or 2,2-dimethyl propane, okay. And these three structure are isomer of each other because they have same molecular formula C5H12, but their chain lengths are different, okay. Next, position isomerism. In this type of isomerism, the isomer differ in the position of functional group or substituent. So when two or more compounds with same molecular formula differ in the position of substituent atom or functional group on the carbon atom, they are called position isomer. When two or more compounds with same molecular formula differ in the position of substituent atom or functional group on the carbon atom, they are called position isomer, and this phenomenon is known as position isomerism. Example of position isomers. For example, but-1 and but-2. You can see but-1 CH3 CH2 C triple one CH, and this is but-1 and CH3 C triple one C single one CH3. This is but-2, and these two are isomer of each other. In this two example, position of triple one is different, okay. In but-1 the triple one is present on number one carbon, and in but-2 the triple one is present in on number 2 carbon, okay. Similarly, pentane 3-on and pentane 2-on, these are two position isomer of each other. Pentane 3-on and pentane 2-on. In pentan 3 on the carbonyl group C double bond O group is present on number 3 carbon, and in pentan 2 on the carbonyl group C double bond O group is present on number 2 carbon. Okay, so these are position isomer. And functional group isomerism, metamerism, these are not given in your syllabus. Now homologous series. What is homologous series? A homologous series is a group of organic compounds having similar structure and similar chemical properties in which the successive compounds differ via CH2 group. A homologous series is a group of organic compounds having a similar structure and similar chemical properties. This is because they have similar functional group. A homologous series is a group of organic compound having similar structure and similar chemical properties in which the successive compound differ by a CH2 group. So, properties of homologous series. Each member of the series differ from the preceding one by addition of CH2 group and by molecular mass of 14 AMU. Second characteristic, all the members of homologous series share the general formula. For example, general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. General formula of alkene series is CnH2n. Okay, and number 3 characteristic, the physical properties of the members change gradually, and that is so gradation in properties as the number of carbon atoms per molecule increases. That means with increasing the molecular mass of the compounds or member of the homologous series, their physical properties also changes. Physical properties like melting point, boiling point, okay, and density of the successive members of the homologous series increases with increase in molecular mass. Next characteristic is member of homologous series have similar chemical properties. Okay, this is because they have similar type of functional group. And number 5, all the members of homologous series can be prepared by using same general methods of preparation. Now see example of homologous series given: homologous series of alkane, homologous series of alkene, and homologous series of alkyne. All this given with their general formula. General formula of alkane series is CnH2n plus 2, and the simplest alkane is methane CH4. Second, so first member of alkane homologous series is methane CH4. Second member of alkane homologous series is ethane C2H6. Third member of alkane homologous series is propane C3H8. Like this. Okay, you have to arrange the molecule according to their increasing molecular mass. And homologous series of alkene, you can see the first member of alkene homologous series is C2H6, that is ethene. Second member of alkene homologous series is propene C3H6. Third member of alkene homologous series is C4H8, like this. Okay, and alkyne homologous series of alkyne also given. You have to read these examples. Alkyne homologous series and general formula of alkyne homologous series is CnH2n minus 2. And the first member of alkyne homologous series is ethyne C2H2. And second member of alkyne homologous series is propyne C3H4, like this. Okay, and then in the next class I will discuss about nomenclature of organic compounds. Okay, thank you students.